Hey everyone, welcome back to another drawing guide. This time, we're going to draw Seiko Ayase from the popular anime Dandadan. Seiko is Momo's badass grandma, and in this 29-step guide, we'll do our best to capture her unique style and coolness, down to the smallest details. But before we begin, as always, I want to remind you that you can find hand-drawn, unique coloring pages in my store. These pages will take you into a creative world where you can bring to life all kinds of scenes featuring different animals and more. Right now, you'll find fantasy-inspired cat illustrations and various dog breeds, each with its own charm. Everything is done in vector format, meaning the line quality stays perfect no matter how much you scale it when printing. Also, a huge thank you to everyone who watches the video until the end, leaves likes, comments, and subscribes to the channel. It's really important for the growth of this project, and I truly appreciate your support. All right, let's get to drawing. The first 3 steps focus on building the basic sketch, which will help us get the proportions right and lay out the details properly. From there, step by step, you'll start adding those details until you reach the final stages. Congratulations, you've reached the end of this guide. As you can see, the sketch is mostly complete. Now, it's just a matter of refining any missing details or cleaning up unnecessary marks. But you also have a couple of optional finishing touches. You can go over your final sketch with ink or a pen, and once the ink dries, erase all the pencil lines to get a clean, polished result. This will give you crisp, sharp lines with no smudges or unnecessary marks. And a massive thank you to everyone who stuck around until the end of the video. It really means a lot and keeps me motivated to create more content regularly. Don't forget to check the links in the description. You'll find both coloring pages and a text version of this guide for those who prefer to follow along at their own pace without the video. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next videos.